I assume everybody here knows what the Revolver Golden Gods is, right? Well, since we're on tour and we can't be there, they gave us most dedicated fans, and they would like to film us getting the award tonight here with all of you in the background. Are you guys cool with that if we take 5 minutes and do this? All right. And nobody take out their phones because it doesn't happen till Wednesday. Don't say anything. All right, where is this thing? Aaron, get down here. Most dedicated fans right here. Thank you guys. Here we go, you're live. So, Revolver, thank you everyone at Revolver for keeping the fucking only metal magazine in America, and thank you to all the Avenged Sevenfold fans. And since this really isn't our award, we're going to give it to somebody here tonight. No, listen. If somebody goes outside and beats somebody's head in with this thing and they sue us, you like that? All right, you're right there with the tattoo on your arm. Get up here. This is for the whole city of Minneapolis, and you get to keep it at your house. There you go. Thank you. Now let's get on with the show, shall we? All right. That was exciting. All right, yeah, fuck yeah. If I see that on eBay, I'm gonna buy it back. Thank you, brother. Have a good time. All right.